Alright guys, so I'm here to review what I bought from Amazon. Houselog manual grinder, color black, Hudson sale. So let's take a look. This is a ceramic burr grinder, manual. Comes with brush, carrying pouch, and I think also another brush. So you got two brushes, carrying pouch. This is metal metal handle, curved, with a wooden handle. So you see it's pear wood. This goes on here. It'll look like this. For comparison, this is my hand. It is actually quite handy. It's quite small. Good for traveling. Let's take a look inside how it works. So let me take this off. Brushed steel top. You can put in the put in a flash. So this is what it is inside. It's a conical burr grinder. You load the beans in. It closes up. Grind it, and it should come out from the bottom. Let's take a look how it works. Yeah, I'd just like to point out that removing the bottom part is a little challenging. I'll use both hands. Let me just give it a try. Okay, so I had to twist it to be able to remove the sleeve. It's not threaded inside, but it does have manual an adjustment knob. The thing here, it is stepped, so it does have numbers from 1, 0. This is 1 being the finest, and it looks like 9 being the coarsest. So you can set it up to make it semi-fine, or somewhere in the middle between fine and medium. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back in. Let me get some beans. I'll put it in. Okay, so I filled this up with beans. This is 3 teaspoons, so about 30 grams. Put this in. There we go. So I'm going to start grinding and see how long it'll take to grind all these 30 grams. All right. Okay, let's give this a shot. It's not that bad. Grind it. Look how it's gone. 2/3 done. Note that you should only turn it clockwise to grind it. Okay, so already done. This is overall it took like about 3 minutes to grind 30 grams, so it's like 10 grams a minute. That's with a little pausing. I just want to push it too hard, too fast. It's already empty inside. Let's see how it looks inside, eh? Okay, so I had to pause it a little bit. So this is when I open it up. Inside, there's the grinder. So it is. It does show. It does have a uniform grind. Um, as oh, I'm actually quite impressed. I believe that the brush is here so I can brush up and clean this up. But overall, I'm satisfied with this about the 30 Canadian dollars. Does it look good? Thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this helpful for selecting your type of manual grinder.